How to download and install YouTube app on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install the YouTube app on your phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So as you know, the YouTube has been built-in feature in most of the phone available right now. But if it is still not available on your phone, you can easily download it by opening the Play Store. Once you have opened the Play Store, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the search section, simply tap on the search bar and type YouTube and search for it. And here, as you can see, I have already installed YouTube on my phone. But if it is not installed on your phone, you can simply tap on it, and here you could find the install button. So tap on it and the installation process will begin. Now you just have to wait for some time, and once the installation is complete, you can simply tap on open to launch the app. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.